Welcome to today's Monday's episode of videos. A bit bigger video because you see TaskFlow version 9.0 and you think, you didn't even review the 8.0. What? Yeah, the 8.0 is out for a few weeks now and, well, this will be a double episode, okay? I will show you what the changes between 8.0 and 9.0 are. So let's talk a bit about what I changed and what I made, and also what my co-worker made. He worked mainly on the UI and I on the AI. It's the UI and AI update 9.0 of TaskFlow. We have, I'm releasing it now, right now currently. 10.0 will be the last update, by the way, that will be in the alpha version of this thing. 10.0 will be the final alpha version and will be the first beta version. I think we will make it a better version. I don't know. So what we have here is release notes. I never made release notes before, so AI actually helped me a bit because I don't know what to make, and basically I told her everything or what changed, and now I told her what the things is, what you need and stuff. And you don't need internet connection for the AI, by the way. You need it for it to download stuff later. That's why it's there. But actually, you don't really need it because I explain how the AI works actually after I explained what release notes are. So I tell you why. Yeah, we have bug fixes. We have many UI bugs that we fixed. The AI assistant works now completely perfect. Yeah, and everything is just better now, and you can read it here. I will release it now, and then I will hop into the application and we will see what I changed. New structure. We have all versions, which are basically all the versions we had so far. I will move this version into here, I guess. Yep, that. So we have the 9.0 in here too, and yeah, that's basically it. We have new structure in here. We have the AI scripts, which are like crazy, and now I can explain you why the AI is something special, because I literally made my own AI, to be honest. So I don't want to use the API of Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever. First of all, it costs money for me. And second of all, I just don't think that this is the right approach on AI for this app. And in general, it's a bit not that good, you know? So what we did in this app is, while my coworker worked on the UI, I heavily worked on AI. And I know there are some people that say, AI, it's bad. And I get some points. That's why I made my own one. I did a deep dive. It took me 1 week to figure out how AIs even work. I don't even get it right now, you know. It's so complicated. I won't explain how the AI works in this video because in the 10.0 we will have the full AI, and then I will explain you how the AI works. AI is crazy complicated. Our brain has around 84 billion, I think. Yeah, 84 billion neurons, I think. Are they? Do you pronounce it like that? I don't know. Neurons? I guess so. If not, I'm sorry, but you get it. And our AI has 64. 64 of these. I call them, in the way AI uses them, it's like it balances, you know, it weights the things, the inputs that come into the AI. And then in the hidden layers, we only have one layer with 64 neurons working simultaneously and thinking about, is this more heavy than the other thing, and the thing that's heavier is more likely to be right than not right. It's complicated. It's not like the most input will be right. It's like on the trained stuff the AI has. I can't explain it. It's my vocabulary is not even good enough for explaining it. But basically, it works, and I don't know. It just works. Okay, I will explain it in another video. So basically, it weights stuff, and then it thinks, okay, yeah, that's better than the other thing, and then it passes on and gives output. I will show you how this works right now. So let's start the application. Yeah, let's see. So we have startup animation, which is great. We didn't have that in the last version. And what we have now is this right here. That's the starting page, and what we see immediately is the new section down here. I need to finish my report today. That's what I tested. And now what we can do, we can click on this thing and say something, which I'm pretty proud of that this worked. We can use brain dump. And we also can use the voice feature to let the AI summon up what we want to do. For example, I will say I want to finish my script. Oh yeah, we need to... this should work now. I hope so. If not, I'm sorry. I want to script. That's it. And then we have preset one voice command, because it only has 107 words of vocabulary and a few basic things, because it's not trained at all, which is another thing I will talk about right now. It's not trained at all, so it won't categorize some stuff, but I'm working on it. In the 10.0 we will have crazy amount of AI features and UI also. So basically the AI, what I thought I wanted to create here is not an AI that steals your data, because first of all, it's not nice, and second of all, the app should be completely free. And with free, I mean completely free. You don't sell your data. You don't have to put your email address in. We will have a feature where you put your email address in to connect your Google account for like calendar and stuff. It's not like we sell your data. This is not what we want to do. This is a completely free open source task app that you can use. In order to do that, I cannot use API of AI anyways. So I was forced to make my own one, because if I didn't, the API would gather your data and train on this, and I would say your data, and I don't want to do that, you know. So that's why I coded the own AI. Well, it collects your data, but only for you. So basically, I train the AI for everyone. Like with the updates, I will make big updates, and then I will make small AI updates. You will see. You can click on check updates, and you will have. Then it will show you. Oh yeah, here's a new update. And when you load the app, it automatically checks for vocabulary and AI training updates as soon as the 10.0 comes out, and then you will then it will download these automatically. So I will train the AI for you, and everything you do will stay on your devices, because it's training itself. The AI is training itself on your data, but it's not training everyone's AI with your data. It's only training your AI. So every user has a different AI. If you want to share your training of your UI, of your AI, I mean, you can go into settings and open the data folder, and you can edit it there and change stuff if you want, and check how the AI currently works and stuff. It's not great, I will say that, but you know, that's basically it. We can enable the widget, by the way, because I think, the widget is currently not in a way I can say it's usable. That's why if you enable it, you need to restart the app in order for it to pop out. It's a bit weird, but we're working on it, and it will come out in the 10.0, because we really wanted to make the hub feel a bit more finished, and I think we did a good job. So I hope I said everything. I'm not having a script as always. And yeah, so I will go quickly through the new UI. Oh my god, AI and UI, it's so hard to... what we have here is the sidebar. It is separated now. In the 8.0 it wasn't. And we have a dashboard, which basically shows the home view, which is this one. You can have everything in here, what you quickly need to see, what's up next and stuff. And you also can work on the tasks by doing this, you know. And okay, this is not working. Normally it should work. We have, yeah, we have, we had some sounds in here, but you can, yeah, just work on a task for some day, for some time, and you can, if you're distracted, you can type something in here too, because if you have something on your mind, for example, you're working on a task and then, oh no, I need to, I don't know, go for a walk with my dog or something, then put it in here and the AI will sort it for you, so you don't get like confused and, oh no, I need to do that later, and then you don't actually come to work on I want to script. So yeah, this is working, and yeah, okay. So what we have here is the stats view. A bit on GitHub. We will make it way better. It's currently not that great, you know. Can log your feelings and stuff. We will definitely change this stats page, but it's good. Completion rate, you see this. You see insights, which will basically get summed up by the AI. Oh my god! And then yeah, we have scheduled, which basically shows you if you have something planned on a specific day, which I don't. So, yeah. And then we have this week. That shows everything that is on this week. No? And then we have Sunday. We have projects, which I don't think we change something here. We have the journal, which is a bit buggy. You can do stuff in here, for example, if you want to make something fat and stuff, and for example, like I don't know, do stuff. You see, it works. Yeah. So I don't know if this is something someone would use. You can do your journal stuff in here. Then we have search, where we can search for tasks. For example, we type F, then it will show everything with F in here. Yeah. We can add focus mode, so we only see one tab, and it actually deactivates now. Yeah. The timer mode I showed you before, like this one, we will make it better in the future. I'm yapping way too much, and I probably forgot a million things to say, but yeah, that's it. And exit. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Sorry for the big mess, but I don't even know what I want to. I don't know. It's not important. Whatever. Share your feedback. Share what you want to add in this in the next update, because 10.0 will be an update that will we take our time, I would say. I work on my game crossover next month, or this month for you. It's Monday. I will work on my crossover game, which is basically a tic-tac-toe multiplayer game. And yeah, so that's what comes next. And then I will actually start a series where I build my own little studio, which will be not programming mainly, maybe a bit. And yeah, the 10.0 will be out in a few months, I think, because we will completely dive in. We want to make the fully functional app before we start on the better versions of TaskFlow. So yeah, I want to make a little exiting statement, or I don't know how to say it. What I noticed from the last videos to now, first of all, I get really confident, and it just feels more organic for me, and my English is not great at all, but at least it's okay, I guess. And most of the people say, oh, your English is so great, and thanks for that. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and I will work on 10.0 now. As always, stay creative, do something. Goodbye.